Hello children, our chapter is Air Around Us. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of gases. The different components of air includes 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and then remaining 1% it splits between argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor and dust particles. Air plays an important role in breathing and burning. The existence of life on the planet Earth is mainly because of air. Water vapor. See, the air contains water vapor. This only helps us to maintain the cycle of water, life cycle of water, water cycle. When air comes in contact with the cold surfaces, the vapor turns and then it condenses into droplets of water, that is rain. The amount of water vapor in the air, it changes from place to place and also from time to time based upon the temperature. Oxygen. In air, oxygen level is 21%. Actually, we already know the use of air. It helps the animals and plants to carry out the respiration process. And also air is essential for burning. Oxygen is also required for burning purpose. Nitrogen. See, the dry air contains almost 78% of nitrogen. Nitrogen helps in the growth of plants. Especially, nitrogen is useful to make fertilizers. This fertilizer will help the plants to grow well. Carbon dioxide. See, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide helps the plants in making food. In air, it is approximately 0.04% of component is presented. The byproduct, actually carbon dioxide is a byproduct of respiration by humans and also animals. See, when fire burns up, what happened? It uses up oxygen to burn. So it produces carbon dioxide and other gases while burning. So that's why we feel suffocated when there is something burning inside a room. So if in case excess of carbon dioxide is there, what happened? We will suffocate because there is no oxygen in the air. Dust and smoke. Smoke is another component which is given out from fire burns. So it is also harmful and it adds some dust particles and a few other gases in the air. So see, in industries and all, we might have seen chimneys. Nowadays in our houses also we are using chimneys to release the smoke, especially in the kitchen. When we are frying something, we'll just switch on the chimney to release the smoke in the air. The same way in industries also they use long chimneys in order to release the smoke. So because we are releasing the smoke, we know we are contributing to air pollution in the environment. Composition of air. 78% is nitrogen, oxygen is 1%, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases is 1%. Answer the following. What is the role of nitrogen in air? What is the role of oxygen in air? What is the role of carbon dioxide in air? Draw the composition of air. Refer chapter 15, Air Around Us, page number 151.